Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Dhambi Singh, your SST teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Dear student, this is the third chapter from the social studies book of class 3rd. In earlier two videos, we have discussed chapter 1, that is the universe, and the second chapter is the earth, our home. Now this is third chapter. The name of this chapter is, dear students, the globe and the earth as a globe. In this chapter we shall discuss the main points. What is globe, ocean and continents, maps and types of map. These are the four subtopics we are going to cover in this chapter. If you look the globe, it's look like this. This is globe, dear students. Okay, this is the photographs of globe. Now the earth is very big. It's like a huge ball that we cannot see the whole as one time, so we have made a model of earth. What is globe, dear students? A model of earth is called globe. A globe represents the earth on a round ball that is spin on a stand. The axis of globe is made of by fitting a rod through a center of the globe. Axis of earth upon which it rotates from west to east once 24 hours. The axis of earth is an imaginary line upon which it rotates. Now dear student, there are two poles in the globe, north pole and the south pole. North pole, northernmost tip of the pole is known as north pole, and the bottom or southernmost tip of the pole is named as southern pole, dear students. Now if you must know, the first globe was made up of wood. You know the photograph globe, a globe, if you look, it's look like this. I'll show it to you. This is globe, if you see. Now dear students, now ocean and continents. If we carefully observe the globe, we find that some areas are colored blue. If you look the globe here, I'll show once again. Let's zoom it. If you show the globe, some areas are, be carefully observe a globe, we find that some areas are colored blue, while some of its parts are differently. The blue color show the water bodies on the earth, dear students. The big water bodies are called oceans. Basically there are 5 oceans, dear students. There are 5 oceans in the world, which are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The part of globe which are colored other than blue shows the land surface of the earth. The biggest land bodies are called continents. The biggest land bodies are called continents. There are 7 continents in the world, dear students. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest and the Asia is biggest. And our India is, dear students, guess in which India is a part of Asia. Now let's move to maps, dear students. What are maps? If you see, maps are like this. You can see the photographs of map. India is here in green, and you look northern side, China is there. What is map, dear student? A small globe can't show all the places of the earth clearly. Moreover, the globe is also a huge ball and it is difficult to carry from one place to another. That's why, and moreover, it occupies a lot of space. To solve this problem, the scholars divided a globe into 2 halves and drew them on paper. What is map? A map shows a detailed information. It can be used in books. In this way, we are able to see the whole world at the same time. What is map? A map is a drawing of earth or its various parts. What is map? A map is drawing of earth or its various parts. Now some maps shows the entire earth. These maps are called world maps, on which we can see continents, oceans, islands and various countries on the map. A map uses some symbols, dear students, also. Now symbols, if you see the symbols, I'll zoom to it. Here you can see the symbols, canals, and the right hand side symbols is given to you: dam, bridge, bell tank, temple, church, mosque, police station, PS, post office, PO, telephone office, TO, and forest, like this. On the second half you can also see, dear students, here if we zoom it, sorry for disturbance, dear students, if we see here right hand side international bodies, state bodies, right hand side the symbol is given to you, and left hand side the name of the places which are shown in the map, and the key is also given here. A key is also provided at the bottom of the page to show what each statement means. The country and the world's map use symbols to represent cities, temperatures, water bodies, and rainfall, etc. So dear student, in this chapter we discussed till now oceans and continents. Maps. What are map? Maps is drawing of earth or its various parts. It's drawn in flat surface. Map can be big or very small. It is very easy to carry from one place to another. While on the other hand, a globe that earth is clearly, it's difficult to carry from one place to another and occupies a lot of space also. That's why to solve these problems the map is used to drawn. Now there are basically two types of maps are there, dear students. Two types of maps are there: political map and physical map. What are political maps? Political map shows the boundaries of states and countries, including cities and capitals. It shows boundary of a state, where the state is lying from where to where, and boundaries are shown in that. Includes cities, some cities are mentioned in that, and capitals are also mentioned in that. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow is its capital, and it's shown in map. You can easily see. If you see here, the map is given to you here like this. India. Okay, like zoom it. This is a map. There are two types of map: political map and physical map. In physical map shows natural features of the earth like land, mountains, valleys, water bodies, islands, and deserts. So in this chapter, dear students, we discussed till now globe. What is globe? Model of earth is called globe. Its pole, north pole and south poles. Oceans, the blue color shows the water bodies on the earth. Oceans are big bodies of water. Basically we discuss 5 oceans are there: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. And after that we discuss the continent also. The biggest land bodies are known as continents. And there are 7 continents. Oceans are 5 and continents are 7: Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica. And then we discuss the map, and we discuss some symbols also. The symbols also discuss the symbol of canal, post office, telegram, police station. And after that we discuss the 4th subtopic, that is type of map. There are 2 types of map, dear student: political map and physical map. In political map we discuss political map shows boundaries of state, countries, including cities and capitals. And physical map, it shows natural features of earth like land, mountains, valleys, water bodies, and islands, and desert also. Very simple chapter, easy to understand, dear students. What you have to do is you make these symbols along in your notebook, dear students. This is your homework. You have to this is a small kind of assignment. The symbols you have to make this in your notebook, left hand side. SST notebook is one side plain and one side is rule. And left hand side you make this canal, dam, bridge, walk, and use scale. With the help of pencil try to draw this symbols, and the bottom write some symbols, and left hand side write down the name like canal, and right hand side draw its symbol, by which symbol it represent in maps. Okay, this is your homework, and try to paste 2 maps of political maps and physical maps in your notebook, dear students. Political map, as you know, it shows the state and capitals, cities and its capitals, countries. And physical maps, some natural features like land, mountains, valleys and water bodies. You have to paste one map in your notebook of political and as well as of physical map. Okay, and after that try to complete this exercise in your notebook, which it mention after check your mind power, or on basis of a reading. The dash are marked on the globe at the top and bottom. Dear students, as we earlier we discussed, two poles are there. So which poles represent what, you have to on the basis of your reading and read this chapter once again and try to find out the answers and take in the book only. Okay, then the second one is fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here some hints are given to you like bird, to, book, rotating bottom. Complete this. And after that, brain corner, it's followed by question and answers. What you have to do is, what is globe? Write the definition of globe. What is map? Write the definition of map. What is ocean? What are oceans? Water bodies. Okay, write the name of oceans. There are 5 oceans. And write down the name of 4 continents. Any 4 continents. We read of 7 continents are there, but you can write any 4 continents in this column as your answer. Okay, then color the name, continents and ocean on the map given. You can complete this in your book only. Okay, if you are facing any problem, you can ask me, you can call me. Dear students, your query time will be from 8 am to 12 pm. I will answer to it. And remember, dear students, timing for sending your answer will be from 12 noon to 3 pm. After that, the closed WhatsApp group shall be closed and only admins will be able to send the message, dear students. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me, you can call me. Read this chapter once again. Very simple chapter. Photograph of also given to you. As you look in the starting of this chapter, we read about globe, maps, ocean and continents, type of maps. Globe, the photograph is also there. And if you read about the ocean and continents, there ocean and name of ocean and continents is also written there. You can read from this ocean and continents of the world, very easy. Okay, it is colored in blue, and name of oceans are written very clearly. You can see in maps, dear students. Okay, map is very easy. If you look physically, practically if you look, it's affect more. Okay, and in the next session, below map, some map is given to you. Here you can clearly see in green India is here, and then one photograph is given to you, the small symbol. This you have to made in your notebook. Some symbols are followed by the names. And after that, 2 names, maps we have discussed, political and physical maps. Thank you, students, for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Share this video, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the icon button, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you, dear students.